The name of the dance is Salam Salam. The singer is Zion Golan. First part, we do it with the right cross. 1, 2, 3, and Yemenite left. 1, 2, 3, and Yemenite left. Box steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yemenite, Yemenite right, and Yemenite left. This part goes twice. After we do the first part, we have a transition. Right, left behind, right, and close. We're going to the second part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hop, hop. Yemenite right and close. Same out, going out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hop, hop. Yemenite right and close. Going to the next part. Step together, step. Back to 3. Yemenite right. And once again, step together, back to 3, Yemenite, Yemenite, and we're going to the last part. We start with the right to the center, sway, 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 heel, step, left, right, left with a turn to the left, and then we sit, 1, 2, 3, 4. We do it once again. Sway, sway, heel, step, 1, 2, 3. Second time, only 1, 2, 3, box step twice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, cha-cha, going out, cha-cha right, cha-cha left, another 2 cha-cha with a turn to the right, cha-cha right, cha-cha left, close, and beginning the dance from beginning. Good luck.